Understanding Blizzard Watch, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating weather-related term, Blizzard Watch. Understanding such terms is not only crucial for safety but also enhances your English vocabulary, especially when discussing weather conditions. So, let's dive into what a blizzard watch means and how it impacts daily life. Before we understand what a blizzard watch is, it's important to know what a blizzard is. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm characterized by strong winds, low temperatures, and heavy snowfall. It can lead to low visibility and harsh traveling conditions. Blizzards are significant weather events that require preparation and caution. Now, let's define blizzard watch. A blizzard watch is an alert issued by weather services when there is a potential for a blizzard in the next 12 to 48 hours. It doesn't mean a blizzard is certain, but conditions are favorable for one to occur. It's a warning to be prepared. Understanding a blizzard watch is crucial for safety. It allows people to prepare in advance for possible severe weather. This preparation can include stocking up on essentials, planning for potential power outages, and adjusting travel plans. Being aware and prepared can make a big difference in handling such weather events. When a blizzard watch is issued, you should start preparing. This includes ensuring you have enough food and water, checking your heating system, preparing for possible isolation due to heavy snow, staying updated with the latest weather reports. We hope this video has helped you understand what a blizzard watch is and why it's important. Remember, awareness and preparation are key to dealing with any severe weather condition. Stay safe and keep learning.